Yes, again, YouTube. Another day, as I said, another way. And today we're going to my project number 1. But guess what? Not going to be doing anything on it. Going to install these PLM Header on. Oh, I can't see it. This project. Wow. This one now currently has a Megan Racing header. And we're going to switch it to the PLM. So, like I usually said, let's not waste any more time, because the lighting of the sky really bright. And hot. You know the usual drift. Go into the package and see what's inside. So I get this part, and when you purchase aftermarket headers like these, you get them. Well, it depends on the brand. They come disassembled. So you have to assemble them before installing them. So you get this part. This. Another similar piece. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think this is it. I call this test pipe, I think. Not sure. And last but not least, this part. Tools to do the job. So far I know that you use 14 to pull the section that's on the engine head, which is this part. And 14 socket to pull that part. Not sure of what size is used to join this part and this part, because as I said, aftermarket size tend to be different from bolts, tend to be different from OEM. But as I go along, I'll link it in the video, the size tools needed. And one more tool, very important tool, a rag or towel for wiping sweat, because I could do a whole heap of that. Okay, let's get on the way again. I finished with the jacking up, blocking up, and removing the ear of the header that's connected to the engine head, which is that. So now definitely going to have to remove that bracket for the mount, the rear mount. Definitely have to remove that because it's in the way of the header. Oh, it's so hot. So I thought about say if I have the tool. Yeah. So I'm going to go under the car now and see how best I can record while I'm under there. Kind of sound impossible, but I still try a thing. Yes, here's the deal now. I'm going to remove this sensor on this one, and as I said, after recording is kind of difficult. Alright, this mount bracket, if you notice, it's kind of blocking the header. Don't have enough room to pull it through, so I'm going to have to remove this rear engine mount. Oh, limited space. All right. Okay, the header is now completely out. Ooh, that'd be rough. As you can see, complete header off with Megan Racing. So I'm going to transfer these sensors out to an air flow ratio sensor onto this after I assembled it. Yeah. All right. Back to it again. Yeah, one more thing. When you purchase this, the header, the PLM header, you also get these Allen head bolts and nut to join them, unlike the Megan Racing where you have this spring. These use these bolt and nuts. Also we'll link the size in the video. Remember, when I install the innovative engine mounts. I said I'm going to do the install the rear one in another video. So this is the time. This one is completely annihilated. So now this is going to replace this one. Alright, unfortunately I'm going to have to end the video right here because here's the problem. You need this to make the connection from right here to this. If you notice, it's both of them go straight through, the hole goes straight through. While on the Megan Racing now, the end and the header right here, this, it has threadings. Unlike this PLM, it doesn't have any threading. So I'm going to, and this is too short, so I'm going to have to get some longer one with nut to lock it at the end. It won't work the same as the Megan Racing. So for that, I have to stop the recording until I get this longer one, a longer set with some nut. With everything else, about everything else, the mount, the rear mount, the innovative one. Don't know if you've seen it. And the header, it's not fully bolted up, but just to insert the bolt and nuts, and everything will be finished along with these, with the connection, this. But unfortunately I can't do this right now until I get the bolt out. After those pause. So until then. Okay guys, quick update. The installation wasn't complete because of this piece. I got the bolt with the nut, but when I bolt up this piece, it was out by an inch. I get to found out that the Megan piece like this was a little bit longer, so I'm going to use that part instead. So I'll update you on another video when I install that Megan piece and let you hear the exhaust, because currently it's running like an open exhaust. So remember to share, comment, dislike, and subscribe to the channel to help the channel grow. So see you next time. That dog, you see.